Hey everyone, welcome to the Shiba family, where we dive deep into all things ship and crypto. Today we've got some super exciting news to discuss. We're talking about Shib potentially hitting that magical 1 cent mark, and we've got expert insights to back it up. You may have heard about our friend Lola, a prominent figure in the Shib community. Wow! Lola recently highlighted 15 compelling reasons why investors should believe in the future of Shib, and let me tell you, they're pretty convincing. First up, let's talk about Shib's recognition in Hong Kong. In this video, I will explain everything to you. Before I proceed, please hit the subscribe button and switch on notifications to start getting daily breaking news from us. Thank you. Back in June 2023, Shib was added to Hong Kong's Virtual Asset Index, along with 29 other cryptocurrencies. This move was huge because Hong Kong is known as a major financial hub in Asia, and it provides investors with a way to analyze the performance and risks associated with virtual assets. With Hong Kong also working on approving Bitcoin spot ETFs, the demand for crypto assets like Shib could see a significant boost. Next, let's talk about Robinhood's ties with Shib. As you all know, Shib is listed on Robinhood, and that's a big deal. Remember how Robinhood activated the last bull run? Well, Lola believes that having Shib listed on Robinhood shows that they don't support pump and dump tokens. And get this, Robinhood reportedly holds over 20 trillion Shib tokens, a move backed by heavyweight asset managers like BlackRock and Fidelity. Now, if that doesn't scream confidence in Shib, I don't know what does. And finally, let's address the elephant in the room. The SEC makes a compelling argument that Shib cannot be labeled as a security by the US SEC because it doesn't meet the criteria of the Howey test. Plus, Shib's launch wasn't profit-oriented and its underlying contract doesn't involve cloud mining. So, for all of you worried about regulatory issues, it seems like Shib is in the clear. Let's talk about decentralization. Lola, a prominent figure in the community, highlighted the fact that Shib is 100% decentralized on the Ethereum network. That's right, no central authority pulling the strings here. Plus, Shib boasts multi-chain features, confidential computing, and even SaaS integration. Talk about cutting-edge technology, but that's not all. Shib is making waves across multiple exchanges worldwide. Lola mentioned that Shib is currently listed on over 90 centralized and decentralized trading platforms, including heavy hitters like Binance, Kraken, and Coin. With such widespread availability, it's easier than ever for investors to get their hands on Shib. And here's something really interesting. Shib isn't just another token for trading. Lola pointed out that Shib is also being accepted as an alternative payment method on some platforms, putting it in the same league as MasterCard and Visa. Now, that's what I call versatility. Okay, let's talk about the founder. Just like Bitcoin's mysterious creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, Shib was created by a pseudonymous figure known as Ryoshi. It's all about that air of mystery, right? But here's where things get really exciting. All Shib tokens are currently in circulation. That's right, no locked-up tokens stored anywhere, making it incredibly difficult for anyone to manipulate or control the ecosystem. With over 410 trillion tokens burned and the remaining 589 trillion in circulation, Shib is truly in a league of its own. And let's not forget about its correlation with Bitcoin. According to Lola, Shib moves alongside BTC, meaning that if Bitcoin goes up, Shib is likely to follow suit. It's all about those market dynamics, folks. But perhaps Shib's greatest strength lies in its vibrant community known as the Shib Army. These dedicated individuals are laser-focused on promoting the token and attracting new investors, fueling its growth and success. Speaking of success, at the time of Lola's post, Shib boasted an impressive market cap of $20 billion, nearly 50% of its peak valuation recorded in 2021. This just goes to show that Shib has incredible prospects and could reach even greater heights in the future. Now, according to Lola, one of Shib's biggest strengths is its deflationary tokenomics. How does it combat inflation, you ask? Well, through ongoing burn campaigns, global demand, and high volume. In fact, since its introduction back in August 2020, over 410 trillion tokens have been burned, ensuring that anyone can acquire Shib. And with its affordable price point, it's accessible to investors of all sizes. Now let's talk security. As an ERC20 token, Shib easily fulfills all security requirements, giving investors peace of mind, knowing that their assets are safe and secure. And here's another interesting tidbit. Shib is interoperable, meaning it can function on both public and private networks. Talk about versatility. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. While Lola is boosting investors' confidence, it's important to remember that Shib still has a ways to go before reaching its projected 1 cent price level. However, with more tokens being burned daily, a bullish run towards that price point could be on the horizon. Speaking of which, Shib's latest uptrend has reignited speculations about reaching that coveted 1 cent mark sooner than expected. Even Shib's marketing lead, Lucier, shares the same sentiment. But let's be realistic, reaching 1 cent won't be easy, especially with its enormous supply currently standing at 589 trillion tokens. So what's the projected timeline for Shib's rally to 1 cent? Well, according to top analysts and analytical platforms, we could be looking at anywhere between 2033 and 2040. That's right, folks. It's a long-term game. But with Shib currently changing hands at a fraction of a cent, that implies a rally of over 30,258% from its current price to reach that coveted 1 cent level. Now, while the broader crypto market may have cooled off a bit, with some assets trading flat and others experiencing mild losses, market watchers remain confident that this could just be the calm before the storm. And by storm, I mean an imminent explosion in prices that could send them soaring to new heights. Let's talk about Shib's recent price action. We all remember how Shib skyrocketed from 595 on February 23rd to a 12-month high of 445 on March 5th, right? That's a whopping 371% increase in just 11 days. However, since then, Shib has been trading within a range, failing to register any more impressive surges. But here's where things get interesting. Despite failing to leverage Bitcoin's recent upsurge, Shib's range-bound movements could actually be a precursor to a much more substantial price run. And this is something that Miles G Investments highlighted in a recent post. And guys, stay tuned, because this story is just heating up. And we're right here to bring you every twist and turn. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for tuning in to Shiba Family.